Hi, and welcome to this week's Kokomo Auto Supply Target on Safety. This week we'll be talking about heat-related illnesses. Heat and humidity can cause several types of heat-related illnesses, such as heat cramps, heat exhaustion, and heat stroke. Knowing the signs and symptoms of each type of heat-related illness will help keep you safe on the job. Normally, the body has ways of keeping itself cool by allowing heat to escape through the skin and evaporating sweat, perspiration. However, if the body does not cool down properly or does not cool down enough, a person may suffer a heat-related illness. Anyone is susceptible to a heat-related illness, but the very young and the elderly are at greatest risk. Beyond that, the heat-related illness can become serious, even deadly if unattended. There are three types of heat-related emergencies. First is heat cramps, which are muscular pains and spasms caused by heavy exertion. This is generally the result of a loss of water and salt through sweating. Two is heat exhaustion, which is caused by fluid loss and decreased blood flow to your vital organs. This condition can produce flu-like symptoms. And third is heat stroke. This is the most serious heat-related emergency, and it occurs when the body's internal cooling system has failed. This is a life-threatening condition requiring immediate and aggressive action. The chart on the back page of the handout provides information on the various signs and symptoms of the three main types of heat-related illnesses. The heat index is a method that combines air temperature and relative humidity to determine the apparent temperature, or in other words, how hot it actually feels outside. The human body normally cools itself through perspiration or sweating when the water in the sweat evaporates and carries that heat away from the body. However, the relative humidity is high. If it's high, the evaporation rate of the water is reduced. This means that the heat is removed from the body at a lower rate, causing it to retain more heat than it would in dry air. If the heat index is important, to know, especially when doing physical work outdoors, as higher combinations of heat and humidity can make the body more susceptible to a heat-related illness. Knowing the signs and symptoms of the various heat-related illnesses is important. Take the time to monitor yourself and be aware of your coworkers. If you're working outdoors, avoid long periods of direct sunlight. Use cooling fans to keep air circulating around your body. This helps aid the natural cooling process. Wear lightweight, light-collared, and loose-fitting clothes when you're working in warm and humid environments. Drink primarily non-caffeinated fluids. Caffeine actually works against you because it's a diuretic and will cause you to lose more fluids than you are ingesting. Drinking water or other electrolyte products are best. Never wait until you feel thirsty to start hydrating. You are well on your way to becoming dehydrated when you feel thirsty. It's critical to your overall health to stay properly hydrated, especially when working in hot and humid environments. The first step is always prevention in a heat-related emergency. In hot and humid environments, always wear loose-fit, lightweight, loose-fitting clothes, and take frequent breaks. Drink lots of fluid. Avoid caffeine, coffee, and soda, and alcohol to stay hydrated. Stay out of the direct sunlight for long periods of times. Thank you. Read the chart, and employees, if you will, sign off that you have watched this video and pick up a pamphlet. Thank you. Once again, Kokomo Auto Supplies, Target on Safety.